Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Ketley. Ketley is now 1 year after her procedure and so kind to show her results to the world. Ketley, thank you so much for helping other people in their research and showing your results and your journey. I wanted to talk to you and see how you felt about the process and, of course, your results. What do you think? And all you have a wig on right now. Let's be clear.
Yes.
Okay. And so you wanted to kind of do a reveal. So I'll let you take it from here. What do you think of everything so far?
Okay. First of all, I researched for 2+ years. Dealing with hair loss it's a big thing in Black community, a big thing. Mm-hmm. So I knew that I didn't want to always wear sew-ins. I wanted to wear my natural hair out, like a really pretty ponytail up, and not have all this baldness. And I didn't want to keep putting the spray and the powders to cover up, because even though it covered, but if you up in my face, you could see that it's all that stuff, and it looked a mess. So I just decided, okay, I'm gonna do something about it, and I came. When I tell you, I was like, oh my God, please, Lord, please let it work, because I've seen the results. I hope it works for me. I hope my hair takes. And when I say it was the best money spent, the best. I didn't have to go out the country. I went right down to Miami, stayed in a hotel. And it was so good. I enjoyed myself. The doctors were so great. You were so great.
Thank you.
I love it. I love my results.
Good. So let's see the reveal. Now, be clear. You're wearing a wig not because you have to, because you want to, right? So you could totally go out in your natural hair. Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I'm letting my hair grow out. So this was a custom made wig for me.
Yep.
Just because I'm doing some other things, because I'm doing the second round.
Yep.
Okay, so let me just show
Let's see. Drum roll.
Okay.
Wow. Holy smoke.
I love it.
Can you just hold it? Can you hold it to one side for a couple seconds? There we go.
This is my braid.
Yeah. Loosely braided.
This is all my hair. There's no added hair in here. This is all my hair. This is all this hair. Because you want to keep your edges. My hair is braided. Very, very, very.
And there's no fibers in there. There's no concealer. This is just natural. You woke up that way.
I know you ladies see my little gray hair. You see them grays in there. But I keep my hair black, but
Can you put your chin down for 1 second? Let me just kind of see the front. There you go. Hold it right there. Hold it right there, because that is so impressive compared to your before picture. Holy smokes.
I had no hair, ladies. You guys get my befores.
Wow.
And it was really a mess. But this is I feel so good. Like I said, if you thinking like struggling, like should I do it? Listen, I don't care. You gotta take out a loan. Do what you gotta do, because having hair is the greatest self-esteem. I went to the Miami Beach. I was out there just to be able to just have this hair out. It was, and let me just say this one thing. I went down to Miami. Let me tell you, some of the clinics have oh my God, no exaggeration, so many people is in these offices. It's just, it's too much. When in your office, you patient at a time, you getting 100% the doctor's attention. And that meant a lot.
I'm glad you felt that way. That's important to us as well. So I'm glad it comes out through it.
It's not about money. It's about patience.
That's
and
it.
Really getting patients the results that they need and giving women back their self-esteem. And I just want to say I thank you and your whole team.
Thank you, Ketley. And we'll be following up. Thanks again for sharing your story.
You're welcome.
Okay. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.